In his black and white photography series, Magnetism, Ahmed Mater uses a cubical magnet and a large scattering of iron fillings all around. What is he trying to convey? Again, in his black and white photography series, Magnetism, Ahmed Mater uses a cubical magnet and a large scattering of iron fillings all around. What is he trying to convey?
Well,
so we all looked at Mehdi here, right? Just the
yeah. Well, I assume. Oh, it's nothing new, but I assume this guy you're talking about is old too. I don't know him, but I assume he's trying to show the magnetic field lines with the magnetic, with the metal, iron.
I think. So it's a piece of artwork. Well, I think that he tried to make. I think I might know this one.
Is he an artist?
Oh. Well, I mean, because he's a photographer, right? So he's taking and he's using. Okay, I think I know, but I don't want to ruin it. I'll let you guys go around in circles.
Okay, you're going to do the thing. All right, take the risk. If you're wrong, we will gently mock you afterwards.
Okay,
but take the risk. Bank that answer. The other two of us will try and figure it out. Mehdi,
Okay.
What? So. If you put a magnet near filings, will they follow the lines, or surely they'll just glom onto the magnet?
Well, depends on how much you have. If it's on a piece of paper and there is not enough of them, they will show the magnetic field lines. But if there is a lot of them, they'll spike out, like a clump of filings that spike up. I've seen these sand clocks, sand timers that use that. There's a magnet on the bottom, and the sand is actually metal or iron filings, and that pours it onto the magnet, and they go like this.
That's so cool. I want one of those. I want one of those for my office. Magnets are just fascinating, though. I just love.
Yeah.
Since I remember just being in school and just being fascinated by magnets, you could just spend hours and hours. But yeah.
Yeah. And you'll be surprised by the amount of free energy videos you get out of magnets on the internet. That annoys me to no end.
Yeah.
Unlimited energy.
I will say, Mehdi, you're on the right track with the field that you're talking about.
So the question was, he's trying to achieve, right? With those?
Right.
So he's not just taking a picture of the magnetic field lines. There's something else going on here.
Yes, the picture is representing something.
And I know what it is.
Damn it.
Sorry.
Me too.
So this is the first question that I'm like, yes. So I'm pretty, but I might be completely wrong,
because there's going to be pride before a fall here.
Yeah, that's going to be so. I was like, I was totally wrong, but
it's happened to me. It's happened to me in an earlier show.
Does the sculpture represent the struggles of common human in the society, or probably not at all?
I mean, art is subjective.
Is it representing something physical or something metaphorical?
It is a physical thing.
So it's going to look like you've got the core of an apple or something like that with that kind of circular lines radiating out? Or have I got my magnetism wrong there, Mehdi?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not going to... Well, when you put a bunch of them on top of a magnet, there'll be lines going out of the surface pretty much in all directions. Like a clump of spikes, I assume.
So if you take a photo of that, what could it represent? Ali, I think we need a clue here.
Okay. We were already on the right track here, but there are no filings directly next to the magnet, so there's some space around it, and it's all laying on a white surface.
So are they trying to go towards the magnet then? And we're from the sides? Or
you had it right. They're naturally forming something and showing that field. So what does that natural formation with the magnet in the middle represent? What does it look like?
Oh! It looks like Hajj. It looks like the pilgrimage to Mecca.
That's the one.
We got it!
Yeah, so that's the...
Because you've got a big black cube in the middle and the filings of the pilgrims around it.
Yeah, so the Kaaba is the black cube that you're referring to. And that's where Muslims kind of use that as a direction for prayer. So when you go for the Hajj in Mecca, then they will be around it. And I specifically remember seeing this. It's a really cool piece of artwork where there's this cube, and then you've got the filings around it, kind of representing the Kaaba in Mecca. which you would do during Hajj or Umrah as well, which is throughout the year. So yeah, that's why I was like, oh, I know this one. But good work, Tom.
Thank you for letting us go through that. We got 2 light bulb moments out of that question. That was wonderful. Thank you.
The magnetism from the central cube causes the filings to form into natural circles, mimicking the pilgrims circling around the Kaaba 7 times in an anti-clockwise direction called the Tawaf.